Hello and welcome to Map Business Online. Today we're going to talk a little bit about map sharing. Map sharing via a web-based map or a URL. The first thing you need to do is set your map up using Map Business Online in the full subscription. You set up your map, save it the way you want to share it. So what you save is what you share. You've got your data window loaded with the data that you want your viewers to view, and you've got things selected the way you want them. You've got color codes done, and that's what this map represents, something I just want to share. I save the map. The next thing I do is I click on that double person icon on the toolbar right up there. And when I do that, it opens up a dialog box where I can choose to not share that map, to make it private, so that it's going to show in my files that I have not shared it. But I'm going to share this map, and I select share selected map, and I click share map. That immediately opens up a URL, and it generates an email. You can see the URL is right there. It's kind of a crazy URL. You cannot Google that URL. And I'm going to select that URL just like that, copy it, and I am going to paste it into a web window, and that's going to load. While that's loading, I'm going to go back to Map Business Online. In my home map administrator page, I created this map and I'm sharing it with somebody else to view. Please note, along the toolbar, you have a full administrative level map creator toolbar here. When we move over to the shared map view, you'll note, and the map is still loading, you'll note that there is an abbreviated toolbar. So here's the original map, and here's the new map. Just about loaded here. Within the new map, you are able to pan and zoom on the map all the way around the world. You can go in as far as you want and out as far as you want in order to view the map. So your viewers have full access to the map data. They can also use these functions on the toolbar, which includes the ability to do a radius or a polygon search. So we can search for data. We can save the data. Save that somewhere on our desktop. And we can export that data out for use in a third-party application. So that's pretty cool. You've got the data window here. You can see that. That's also up here on the toolbar. So I can turn that off or turn that on. And now I've got the saved data here, and I've got all the other data in there that might be interesting to your viewers of map data. You would be able to measure. You have a measure tool, so you can measure polygons and lines within Map Business Online. You've got the ability to print the map. You've got the ability to save the map image to a file, a JPEG or a PNG file, just like you do in regular Map Business Online. You have the ability to do a little bit of routing. It's a minimal amount of routing with the free viewer application, just a few stops. And we've got our help documentation there as well. You can do an address lookup by putting in whatever your favorite address is and look it up. So I just did a zip code, but you can do full address lookups, and you've got the ability to zoom way in on the map as well. So that gives you a sense of how you can share your map data with your constituents at no cost, and then have them have the ability to work with that map to some extent. The only thing they really can't do is they can't edit the map. They can view the map, they can't edit the map. So your data, their data. Your map, their map. What you save is what you share. Thanks very much for taking the time to view this. Please go to mapbusinessonline.com and take our free trial.